Digital products are intangible items sold online, like Canva templates, online courses, and printable artwork. Unlike physical goods, they don't need constant reproduction, allowing creators to focus on quality and innovation. Finding a niche and targeting specific customers can lead to long-term success and hassle-free income. 10 Best Websites to Sell Digital Products. The first one, Checkout Page. Checkout Page makes selling digital products easy and cost-effective. Create attractive, single-product pages without code that are shareable via pop-ups and QR codes. Enjoy low monthly fees with no sales commissions. Accept one-off, subscription, and flexible payments. Customize product variants and discounts, and control your audience data for creative engagement. The second one, Thinkific. Thinkific is an online course creation platform for individuals and businesses. It offers user-friendly tools and customizable templates for developing interactive courses. With features for marketing, enrollment tracking, and student engagement, Thinkific helps creators deliver high-quality educational experiences. The third one, Podia. Podia is an all-in-one digital storefront for creators to sell online courses, memberships, and digital downloads. It provides a user-friendly environment to build a branded storefront, engage with audiences, and market products. Podia offers features like course hosting, email marketing, and membership management to help grow digital product businesses. The fourth one, Sellfy. Sellfy is an e-commerce platform designed for creators to sell digital products directly to their audience. Its simple setup allows for easy monetization of ebooks, music, videos, and more. Sellfy offers marketing, analytics, and integration features, helping creators effectively sell and promote their digital goods. The fifth one, Shopify. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that helps individuals and businesses create and run online stores. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for setting up and customizing storefronts, managing inventory, processing payments, and tracking orders. The sixth one, Printify. Printify is a top print-on-demand service for selling custom-designed products like apparel and accessories. It integrates with major e-commerce platforms, offering a user-friendly interface for managing digital products and expanding customer reach. The seventh one, Payhip. Payhip is an e-commerce platform for selling digital products and memberships. It provides an easy setup for showcasing and selling directly to your audience. With features for product management, marketing, and affiliate tracking, Payhip supports creators in effectively promoting and selling their digital goods. The eighth one, SendOwl. SendOwl is an e-commerce platform that provides creators the ability to sell digital products, memberships, and subscriptions directly to their audience. With its focus on simplicity and flexibility, SendOwl enables creators to personalize the selling and delivery process for their digital content. The ninth one, SquareSpace. SquareSpace is a website building platform offering tools for professional websites and online stores. It supports e-commerce for selling physical and digital goods. Users benefit from various templates, marketing tools, analytics, and payment processing features. The last one, Etsy. Etsy is a popular online marketplace for handmade, vintage, and unique goods, connecting independent creators with buyers. It features art, jewelry, clothing, and home decor. Etsy fosters a sense of community, supporting small-scale and independent businesses through its platform. These are the 10 best websites to sell digital products. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.